Hey, it's Vince again. Today we have a haul from Big Idea Designs. Baseline bolt action pen and the Bit Bar Inline Max. This is going to be more of an unboxing video and first impressions. I reached out to them and asked if they'd be willing to help support the channel, send something for some content, and they happily agreed.
Let's do this thing.
Baseline bolt action pen. What is this? If seal is broken, remove from inventory. Well, it's good to know. Big Idea Design. Is that a sticker too? Get out of here. That's way smoother than I thought it was going to be. Not a big pen by any means. It's nice and girthy.
You know I am girthy.
Simple spring. Schmidt refill P900. German refill medium point. Stonewashed titanium finish. Good pocket clip. Wow. Interesting. I love that fidget factor of this thing. Let's see how it writes. First stroke, it wrote right away, which is a testament to their choice of refills. I love the tactile feel of this. The gnarling or knurling, jimping, I don't know what you want to call it, but gives it a nice bit of grip, but it's not too much where it feels like it's grinding on you. You don't need it any longer than that. If it were any shorter, I think it might be an issue for some people. I think that's a definite win. Full titanium, full metal construction. This is going to be a pen I have and carry for a long time. Now let's check out the Bit Bar Inline Max. Another seal. That's a sticker for sure. Oh, okay. T8 and T6 Torx bit. Again, full titanium, 5 bits, all double-sided. Not sure exactly how this retains. Oh, it's magnet. Then you slide it up. In the bar right now, it looks like we have 2 flathead 1/4 inch and 7/32, and 1/8 and 3/32 of an inch. 4 Phillips drivers as well. Number 1, number 3, and the 0 and number 2. And then inside this, 5mm and 4mm Allen key. So I definitely want this Torx driver in there. I can use that for my knives, obviously. You could use just Leatherman bits, I'm thinking there as well. This is meant to use in 3 different orientations. So you have the standard screwdriver grip. There's a little bit of play in there, but not a big deal. Nothing I don't think you could overcome easily enough. T-handle, if you really need to get some torque on there. And then the L grip. That's a cool design. I really like that. It's almost the same size as the pen. Like, I've got this multi-tool pen here, and it's actually smaller than that. That is a nice screwdriver. I want to try this out. Let's tighten the pivot up on this thing. Let's see. Yeah, that's a little, I gotta put some Loctite on this. Oh yeah, these are great bits. There's no play whatsoever in any of these. I happen to have a Leatherman right here that takes these bits. I know I have a Robertson in there somewhere. Just for shits and giggles, let's see. Yep. The detent is a little different on these ones. I think it just uses magnets, right? Yeah, it's the same. It holds very well. Won't come out super easy. Yeah, that's cool. I really like it. That'll fit really nicely in, you know, any pouch or whatever, right? Perfect. Throw that one next to the knife. There you go. Amazing. Really nice. So if you don't want to store it with a bit out, you can turn it around. That's really clever. That way you don't have to worry about losing a bit. So it has a magnet on the end. You can use it as a magnet tool. That's really cool. And I'll do a proper review once I actually get this stuff out and use it a little bit more. My initial impressions of these things, the pen and the inline driver, are positive for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next one. What was I saying? What was the shtick? I hate this plastic film.